Ebs Kitchen again. Today I have my niece Star. She's gonna be my cook today. My husband's filming on the camera. We're gonna do I don't want to say Mexican food. I don't like to use that word, but that's what they call it. We're gonna do enchiladas.
Tex-Mex.
And we're gonna do Spanish rice, enchiladas, and tacos. So these are the ingredients you need to make the enchiladas I'm making. They're quick and easy enchiladas. We're gonna have chili, 2 cans of chili, 2 cans of refried beans. That's for the tacos. Or we have hard shells. And our vegetables, my cilantro that goes into my Spanish rice and my enchiladas. Avocado that goes with my tacos. This goes into the Velveeta, small thing of Velveeta that goes into the cheese enchiladas. Lettuce for the tacos. We have crunchy taco. We have the corn tortillas for the enchiladas. And we have 2 cheese for the tacos and enchiladas. So I'm going to cut up the vegetables. And when I come back, I'm going to show you. We already have the meat sizzling on the stove. So you'll need 2 pounds of ground meat for the enchiladas and the tacos.
And seasoning salt.
And taco seasoning. I have Taco Bell taco seasoning. So when I come back, I'm going to teach you how to put the enchiladas together. Okay, I'm cutting up the onions. I was going to cut up the vegetables. I like to cut up my vegetables first to have them all chopped up. I actually like to cut my onions up because I like to put them in the meat while meat's cooking, so I don't have to saute them by themselves. So, I don't have a good chopping knife, y'all. Sorry.
Straight down.
I promise you the videos will get better because I'm going to get a camera and my kitchen utensils will get better. Just bear with me. All my knives come up missing.
For some reason.
And they say, act like you chew a bubble gum to keep from your eyes from being... Because this is a strong one.
Got me crying.
Act like you chew a bubble gum.
Yes, they say chew bubble gum or act like you chew a bubble gum. Move, Chloe.
Y'all ate out my bubble gum.
They ate it. Let me down. Papa, he too.
Chloe, go watch cartoons. Go watch cartoons.
Please put SpongeBob.
Go watch cartoons.
Whoa, wee. That onion.
Okay, I'm going to put the onion inside of the meat while it's boiling, cooking, so it can make the onion soft. So I don't have to deal with that. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. This onion is strong. This is just my way of doing it fast. You can saute them by yourselves. So, I'm chopping up the meat. And I do like this to chop it so it won't have big chunks of meat. I like it to all be chopped up nicely.
They get the meat a
And I need a bigger
too.
pan. I know I need a bigger pan. Needs bigger skillet. I promise y'all I'll get better. I'll start getting this stuff together. I'm going to have better utensils and stuff. Cook as you go. Okay, I'll be back right back to show you how to roll the enchiladas up. Okay, now I'm going to make the Spanish rice. I'm just going by the box. It says 1 1/2 cup of water. I'm going to put 1 1/2 cup of water in here. I'm going to turn my heat on medium. And it says put diced tomatoes. Susie, can you open this can? I got a can of diced tomatoes. I'm trying to teach my niece how to cook, y'all. So she can learn how to cook. Because Mama don't know how to cook.
No. Give it to him.
Here, put it in the trash. Here, take. And it says put 1 teaspoon of butter. And my teaspoon is a small spoon in my book. So a teaspoon of butter.
That is actually a teaspoon.
Well, I don't know, but I think it is. I think a tablespoon is a big spoon.
That's what it is, a big spoon.
This is a small spoon.
That's a tablespoon.
This is a teaspoon.
It's
It's a tablespoon. Look, this is weird. I don't know for sure, but I'm thinking this is a teaspoon and this is a tablespoon.
I need to eat with big spoon. That's all I need to know.
Okay, and then next we're gonna go ahead and put the beans on slowly. I'm gonna put the beans on. Okay, I'm gonna let that boil
How long?
for 25 minutes. Okay, then we're gonna get the beans.
That meat is looking gorgeous, people.
Here, sister, I need you to open the beans. I want me to take the tops off of them and give them to me. Okay, I'm chopping my meat up. Again, you see the onions are getting really soft. And if you don't like onions, you don't have to use onions.
Bell pepper, anything you want.
Well, I don't think people gonna put bell peppers in enchiladas.
You never know. It's 2015, gonna be 16.
And then you're done. Okay. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how to do the beans. And then we're gonna warm the chili up for the enchiladas. So we'll come right back. Thank you. Okay, I'm right back. And what I did was went ahead and put the chili on. 2 cans of wood brand chili. And I put a little water in it. And then I did Taco Bell's refried beans. I put a little butter in it. I put it on low, medium low. So by the time everything gets done, it'll be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my oven on bake for 350 so I can start my enchiladas. The next move after this meat gets done, I drain it. I put it in a bowl. I'm gonna wash this plate, just skillet out, and I'm gonna put our tortillas and make our tortillas when we come back. Thank you. Hey, I forgot to mention y'all. I like to put cilantro, fresh cilantro, in my rice.
That's all you need.
There you go.
And everything is cooking, simmering. Smells so good.
I clean up as I go. Make sure y'all wash your dishes as y'all go.
Oh, girl.
Don't have no dirty kitchen. Don't never cook in no dirty kitchen.
Never.
Okay? Thank you. We'll be back.
Go.
I'm opening the chili because we put too much water and it was on high.
Yeah, they're just trying to thicken it up a little bit. Don't want no water with chili.
Well, it's going inside and outside of chili for the enchiladas, so we don't want it to be running. And when we come back after that, we're gonna have we're gonna do the tortillas.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Come.
Ready?
Go.
Okay. So usually, Pookie was correct. To keep it from being brown, you do add lemon juice to it, but we're not gonna do all that today. Sometimes, to also keep it from brownie, you keep the seed in it. If you're not gonna cut it, if you're just gonna scoop it out. So I'm gonna show you. Go get you a spoon. Go get your spoon. Make sure you clean the spoon. Rinse it out. I'm showing my. Okay, so look. You take. I'm gonna let you do this one. I'm gonna show you this one. I really just do like this. See. Stick it all the way down to the shell. Stick it all the way down to the shell. Stick it all the way down. And I do this way. This is just how I do it. Some people take it out first and then cut it, but I just think it's easier to do it this way. I put my knife down, and then I just take the spoon. See how it cuts in chunks? See how it's already in chunks? To me, that's easy. People do what they want to do. See, that's a good avocado. Okay, and okay. now. Of course you throw this in the trash. Now here's your next. You got tomatoes to do and then avocado.
No.
Okay.
Stop like that, my mama. Do I take the seed out?
Yeah. Take your seed out. No, don't hit the seed. Just take it out.
Just pull it out.
Yeah. Give me that.
There you go, girl. I see you. Growing up. She did it just like you told her to do it, too.
All right, so.
Just scrape it
I'll
out.
tell my niece how to do what a good job she doing.
Stop.
Tell her, good job, Star.
Stop.
Say good job, Star.
It's Chloe.
I know who I was talking to. I
Don't
told her
tell
to
the
say.
name is Chloe.
Oh. Hey, Chloe. Say hey.
Tomatoes.
Hi, baby.
If she's having trouble, help her out with tomatoes.
Okay. Usually you cut tomatoes from the side. I don't know what she wants done with the tomatoes.
I'm gonna wash it off for her. This is so easy. A 9-year-old can do it.
A 9-year-old can do it.
Who's this?
And she do it so well. Look at her. Bless you. Come on, Chloe. Come on, Chloe. Please stop, baby. Stop. You playing too much. Chloe, please stop coughing for no reason. And it is not because you're sick or anything. Just stop coughing, please. Be quiet. Uh-oh, you see you dropped the glass.
Watch your fingers.
Watch your finger. Don't cut your fingers,
And
baby.
you cut it sideways, then you cut it. Tell her, baby. So,
Yeah, there you go. Just like that. Straight across. And then, yeah, just like that. Just like that. Just keep doing. Watch your fingers. Big pieces, little pieces, don't matter. It's going on tacos.
say, good job, Star.
Tell your sister good job.
Say, good job, Star.
Thank you.
She's going to be our future chef.
She gonna be just like her auntie. Lord, because her mama sure didn't get it. I'm just saying. You know,
Yeah, straight down. Watch your fingers.
If my sister was here,
She'll be like, hold up.
hold on.
No, you tell her. Yeah, there you go. Just like that. Try to keep it all together so when you turn it, you just grab the whole one and turn it aside and just like, you know what I'm talking about?
Quiet. They can't hear it.
Yeah, keep that together all the way. Just keep cutting it. Keep cutting it. Keep cutting it. Watch your fingers. Now turn it sideways. No. Yeah. Any way you want. Just no. Turn it this way. Put it down. Flip it over.
Oh.
Like that. There you go, baby. See? You gotta hit. Use the arm. Use your arm.
There you go.
Now don't cut me.
Don't cut her either. But watch your fingers.
Yeah, we're gonna leave that one alone. Now you just get the big pieces and just cut them in.
Right, let me show you. Easy way.
That's what I was
Take
trying
them
to show.
together.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to
Do
show.
like that.
You gotta hold.
Oh,
You gotta
like
actually
tomato.
hold a tomato
Yeah.
though. You can't just be gentle with it. You gotta hold
Yeah,
the
you gotta hold
tomato.
the tomato. See?
Boom.
See? Now you do the rest.
You did a great job.
You
That
really
was how
did
you
a
did
good
it.
job.
You did that way better than I could do. Tell you that right now.
Okay, you do these.
But it's a 9-year-old show.
No, it's not.
Everybody don't get the jokes.
Put it behind you, sis.
Okay, baby. So what you over here doing now?
Okay, yeah, come on. I'm gonna show them how to do. I'm gonna cook the tortillas.
Dang. It took that much to get her.
So
Butter the pan.
I put butter the pan, and if they broke a little bit, that's okay. As long as they're not broken in half, because you're gonna roll them up. Usually I do like 10 of them at one time, but just to show y'all, I'm gonna do that. What you talking about?
You need more heat, don't you? What you need turned up to?
I was just gonna turn it up to medium high, but just to get them cooking. You don't want them to stick. I use my hands, but that's not really a
Great idea.
Yeah, great idea.
Unless the person that's cooking it is related to you.
No, I play my hands. I use
I'm
my
saying
hands.
just you might burn yourself.
Yeah. Safety
And
first.
yeah, safety always.
Okay, usually.
How long do they have to cook? How long you
For
have
about 10 seconds.
to? 10 seconds. Somebody knocking at the door.
That's probably my sister.
Go see if that's your mama. Not you.
Okay. And you can use regular butter or you can spray.
Oh, stop it.
Okay.
We are putting tacos on the tray.
Hard shell.
Hard shells.
First you butter, you know, spray some cooking spray, you know, some
It's easier than butter.
Pam or anything on there. You don't need none, but you know, it's better to, you know.
How many you say? 8?
Yep.
10.
10.
Put 5 on one side, 5 on the other. Make sure they're both spread apart a little bit.
Okay.
And you only want to put them in the oven for like a minute or 2. Because they get brown real fast. I'll give you some more in a minute.
7.
8.
8.
9.
Is it all?
9.
10. Hold up. Let me fix these.
Yeah, I put them on on each side. 2, 2, 2, and 2.
Make sure they spread out a little bit. As much as you can.
It doesn't have to be perfect stuff.
She said spread them out.
Just spread them out on the pan. They're not gonna stand up, so just put them on there.
You should lay them on the side and spread them out.
Yeah, just lay like this stuff. Look.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Down here like that in the middle. Spread them out. Spread them out. Spread them out.
Okay. You put them in the oven.
Going in. And how much you bake this on?
2 minutes.
Preheat the oven.
300.
350
To
it's already on
350.
350. Leave it alone. And she gonna leave it in there for 2 minutes. Watch the clock.
Watch the clock.
Okay, baby, ready? I said commercial break.
Let's go.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to roll up these baked enchiladas. Some of this meat is gonna be taco meat. Usually I don't put meat inside of my enchiladas, but I like mine's meaty. How about you?
I like mine any way I can get it.
My girl's meaty. So I'm gonna show you. Take this one enchilada. Usually I take paper towel.
Take one tortilla.
One corn tortilla. Okay, put your meat in there. How you want your meat. Remember you gotta roll it, so you gotta make sure. I usually put 2 sticks. Depends on how many I have.
2 slices.
Then I put a little spoon of chili on the inside. Little spoon of chili. Okay. And then I roll it. So, take this and I just roll it. And I put it to the side.
And you got
One
enchilada.
enchilada.
And
I'm going to do that I'm going to show y'all again one more time. And I'm going to do that for all of these. So I take the meat. There's no certain order that you need to put this in. You can do chili first, cheese first. It does not matter. Put it right here. Add the chili. Add the chili. And then you roll. And so the only thing you're cooking in the oven is you just melted the cheese, basically. Is what you're doing when you put them in the oven, because they're really already ready to go. Okay? And after I finish, I'm going to show you the end result when I put them in the oven. is my last plate.
Pan,
plates, whatever. Enchiladas is going in the oven to heat up. Can I get the big man? You can get that.
Star, can you open the oven for me, please? Tech City.
I need the other pan.
And by the way, the oven needs to be on 350,
What was it?
preheated, and you slide it in there like that.
Give me the other one.
We're gonna put some
more cheese on it.
here. Could you get up, ma'am, and put cheese on here because that's very hot.
You want to put it on there? No. Move. It's going down.
I don't even think we need any tacos.
Yes, we do, because who ain't with enchilada, baby, is Chloe. So everybody like
Now how long is it supposed to cook?
for about 10 minutes. Till
About 10 minutes. Okay.
Till the cheese melts.
All right.
All right, then we'll be done. We done when it comes out the oven.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I ain't doing it right now. I'm smoking.
And this is the final result of the enchilada meal. Look at Chloe.
What?
Did you like it?
If it's so nasty, why you eat it?
It's gross.
Star, you like it?
Anyway,
Chloe.
people, let me tell y'all something. It is very special meal when somebody takes the time out of the day to cook for you. So kids, y'all enjoy and learn something from this so y'all can make other kids happy.
She's like, yeah. Chloe, you like it? Good girl.
Hey, thank you, Andy.
Here is the enchiladas. Done. So say bye.
Bye.
Baby, say bye.
Till next time.
Chloe, say bye.